Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Eventful Living with Kay. So today I'll be showing you just 3 quick DIYs that you can do as centerpieces for your Christmas dinner. Christmas is like a day away, so I wanted to just up on here and show you like some quick setups for your dinner table. So the first one is this garland that I have here. This actually is a Dollarama garland. How beautiful is this? And then there's a cheesecloth as the table runner that's underneath. You can use white or gold or any type of table runner that you choose to use as a part of your centerpiece, right? It kind of makes it pop and it gives it that bright and colorful look. So I'll also be adding some pine cones. These ones I also got at the Dollarama. They were the scented cinnamon ones. They smell great, so I'll be using some of these, and I will be using some of these tall candlesticks with candles just to add some dimension to the table along with these candles. These ones are actually great. They actually turn on and they actually do flicker like real candles. So that's what I'll be using for this first setup. Okay guys, so the second centerpiece I'll be setting up is using this Dollarama wreath. It's made of poinsettias. It costs just $5 at the Dollarama, which is a great price. Guys, please don't sleep on your dollar store. And I'll use these candles in the middle. Look how great this looks, guys. It looks great. The color pops. So I also wanted to show you the placemats that I'm using. I got them also at the dollar store and they look beautiful. Believe it, these only cost $2 at the Dollarama. So that's a great price. This is going to be the last setup, guys, and this is just a regular jar or a vase you can use. And I just literally filled this with some baubles, which is the Christmas balls that you see here. I have some gold ones and some red ones, because basically it's going with the theme I'm going with. And I literally added this tube. It's from another vase that I have in the middle. So what you can do if you don't have something like this, you can use a toilet paper roll or you can use a napkin roll. Put it in the middle and you can have the balls around it like this. And then I have these flowers, poinsettias, that I'll add in the middle like that. So I will be adding these picks to the arrangement as well, guys, and I got these at Dollarama and they were $1 a piece. I love them. Look at this one. I love it. It's frosted and it looks beautiful. I like it. And I will be adding them to this arrangement just like that. For this one, guys, I added a plexi mirror at the bottom just to give it some dimension as well. And the reflection of the bubbles looks great. So this plexi mirror is 8 inches. And that's how this piece turned out.